Ndewono, kekunume. I hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn animals that live in the water. Yes, we are going to continue with our animal videos. You know, we've learned animals that are domesticated, animals that are wild, you know, types of birds. So you can go ahead and watch all the videos, okay? The links will be in the description box. So check them out, watch them so that you'll find out different types of animals we have in Igbo land, okay? And here we are learning animals that live in the water or have something to do with water. That is Umu anumanu binamiri. Umu anumanu binamiri. Okay, anumanu means animals. Yes, binamiri. Miri means water. So animals that live in the water. And before we start, go ahead and subscribe to this channel if you haven't subscribed, and also, you know, turn on your bell icon so that anytime we upload a new video, YouTube will notify you that we've uploaded a new video. That's not all. Give this video a thumbs up and also share this video, okay? If this is your very first time coming across this channel, you are welcome. No, ndewo. So no means welcome, ndewo means welcome. Ahambo onyinye. My name is Onyinye. So we are one, okay? So let's start. The first one I have on my list here is hippopotamus. Hippopotamus. So hippo for short. Then the name in Igbo language is Enyi Miri. Enyi Miri. You can see it on the screen, right? So Enyi Miri. You know, when we learned wild animals, we said that Enyi means elephant, the big animal, elephant. So this one is Enyi Miri, the big elephant in the water. That is Enyi Miri. Hippopotamus. Then the next one is frog. Frog. Awo. Awo. Some people call it mbala. Awo. Mbala. The next is fish. Azu. Azu. Fish is azu. Now there are different types of fish in Igbo land. Otutu azu di iche. We are going to learn them in a different video, okay? But the generic name for fish is azu. Azu. That is fish. Azu. Crocodile. Crocodile is aguini. Aguini. That is crocodile. Aguini. Crocodile. Aguini. Turtle. Mbe mmiri. Mbe mmiri. Turtle. Mbe mmiri. You know, tortoise is mbe. Mbala. That is the mbe that walks on the land, you get. So you can see it on the screen as well. But this one is turtle, the one that live in the water. Mbe mmiri. Remember I said mmiri means water. So mbe mmiri, turtle. The next is starfish. Starfish means azu kpakpando. Azu kpakpando. You can see it there. Starfish. Azu kpakpando. Crayfish. Crayfish means isha. Isha or isha, depending on how you want to pronounce it, but that is what crayfish means. Isha. Crab. Nshiko. Crab. Nshiko. Nshiko crab. The next one is periwinkle. Periwinkle. Isam. Isam. Periwinkle. Isam. Sea cow. Ehi mmiri. Sea cow. Ehi mmiri. You know, cow itself is ehi or efi. Yes, it's there in our domestic animals. Ehi or efi. Fi. So depending on how you want to pronounce it. But this one is ehi mmiri or efi mmiri. Sea cow. Ehi mmiri. Efi mmiri. Seahorse. Seahorse. Inyinya mmiri. Inyinya mmiri. So that inyinya, it's on its own is a horse. You get. So inyinya mmiri. Sea lion. Odumu mmiri. Odum mmiri. That is the sea lion. Odum on its own is lion. Do you get? Wild animals, you see it there. But here is the sea lion. Odumu mmiri. That is odumu nkena no na mmiri. Odumu that stays inside the water. Then shark. Akum. Shark. Akum. Shark. Akum. Sea urchin. Akabo mmiri. akabo mmiri. Sea urchin, akabo mmiri. Akabo mmiri, that is the sea urchin, okay? Then seal means edi mmiri. Edi mmiri. Edi mmiri, that is the seal. Edi mmiri, okay? Edi mmiri. That brings us to the end of this video. I hope you really do enjoy this video, right? Go ahead and watch other videos and then get used to what animals are called in Igbo language, all right? And don't forget to subscribe. If you have subscribed already, thank you so much. I can't stop appreciating you. Thank you so much, all right? Then see you next time. Bye.